Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 from a USB drive. Right-click this PC properties. On the system, look within 64 or 32. In this case is 64-bit. First of all, you have to download Media Creation Tool for Windows 10 from this website. You can find all the links in the video description. Now head over to the Microsoft Downloads section of Windows 10 and download accordingly. Now this would download a tool. Once the tool is downloaded, again you have to run that executable. There it is. Now here select Create Installation Media for another PC, and click on Next. Select on Language, Edition and Architecture. And now select the 64-bit on the architecture. Click Next. In here select USB flash drive is already be selected. Now click on Next. I click on Next, it should automatically detect USB drive, but I didn't have connected. After connected, all I need to do is refresh. It will auto-detect my removable drive, which is drive F, which has no labels. So click on Next. Now all I need to do is change the boot sequence in the BIOS to be able to boot from the USB drive. Now when you boot the PC, you will look for something like this: F2 for setup and F12 for boot menu. If you select boot menu, all you need to do is select the USB drive from the list. From here just follow the on-screen instructions. That's all about today. you like it. If you have any question or request, ask it in comment box. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next video.